Welcome to the video demonstration of our visualization tools for VAST Challenge 2013.
The data we use comes from a big marketing computer network.
This is the overview of our visualization tools that consist of 4 views. Afterwards, I will introduce them to you one by one. Let's start with the first view. This view is deliberately designed to monitor the active extent of hosts' activities and deployed as a 2-layer topology by incorporating hierarchical force-directed algorithm. Here is the demo. The left shows the topology of network. Users adjust various parameters in the right. By choosing to view the denied connections, the internal mapping IPs and one external IP under denying are apparent in the left area, from which analysts could make the conclusion that an external IP was trying to access the internal hosts but denied. Moreover, if analysts turns to view the bytes or flows count, they could easily find the traffic volume has a sudden spurts at a certain moment, and then gradually decreases to 0. But the most important part is that there's still 8 hot internal workstations and several servers generating massive bytes, so analysts could locate the vulnerable hosts and malicious external IPs effectively and precisely. And now let's continue to the second view that monitors network security events. This view consists of 3 parts. The left offers many optional time series. The middle is deployed by above-mentioned rules. The colors of the arc and height of histograms respectively encode the event's type and event's occurrences. The control panel plays the same role as before. After loading the data, we find that one host kept sending the disk alert during a time period, few external IPs and part of internal hosts were denied by firewall, and all internal servers raised CPU alert only in 1 hour. For the massive number of connection alert from different hosts, we use animation to show the connection alert by sampling interval, which changes obviously by stages, and hence displays the underlying problems. Our third view aims to comparatively analyze classified time series data. After choosing 2 groups of stream data, by adjusting some settings, several sudden bulges forms a striking contrast. For this data, we could speculate that there are abnormal activities during the time when the number of operations reaches a peak and the number of bytes is still low. And when changing another type of data, we will find a weird phenomenon that even though the number of inbound is pretty large, the bytes at that time are still relatively small. Again, the server stream data shows only 3 servers have large number of accessing numbers and flows data during that time. Further picking out 2-day-long ports data, there are only a dozen of sources IP but over 60,000 of source ports, which leads us to capture the origin of the attack. The fourth view is used to analyze detailed information of IPs and ports. The left and right respectively represent the source and destination ports, which are classified into 4 groups. Here we could perceive a malicious attacking pattern. When we drill down into port 80, we discern a more obvious pattern in the specific attack ports. In this case, when we adopt the time series that lies between the suspicious time period we found previously, by comparing the source and destination IP view, suspicious IPs could be found as the hot dots. Here is the reality situation that we use our visualization tools to help analyze network data synthetically. Thanks for your watching.